In this video, I'll show you how to disconnect and drop your Moose Rapid Mount Plow System for ATV. This can all be done in a matter of minutes. First thing you will need to do is fully drop your plow. Take off any tension to the cable of the winch. Also allow enough slack in the cable to easily remove the pulley wheel. Grab the retaining cotter pin on the looped end and pull out the pin from the pulley. This will allow you to pull the pin from the pulley wheel. Once the cable has been released, place the pulley wheel back into place, push the pin back in and secure with the retaining cotter pin. Remove the slack in the winch cable so it does not catch when you back out. Pull the easy release handle, which will release 2 pins, one on each side. The plow will drop slightly. Back your ATV from the plow, and the plow will drop to the ground and rest on its bracket.